So I have here your output. Output of, listen, group 1, group 2, to have the group 3 output, and the group 4. This time, we will evaluate your output. Kung naaba siya defect, naaba depektado ba ang respiratory system sa inyo ang gibuhat. So, first, mo exhale siya. Okay, pag exhale, what do you notice sa 2 balloons nga gagmay? Kung saan na-notice ninyo aning duruha pag ma-exhale, oh? Mo contract or ma-expand? Ni-contract. Okay. Pag mo inhale, ni-expand. Okay. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Okay. Dili siya paspasan ha. Kaya ubugin hawa, tanatunan itong ginhawa. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, dili kay... Just like this one, yung ananaon, dili na pwede. Ha? Okay, okay na ang group 1. Let's proceed to group 2. For group 2 po, exhale. Ay, debiktado gamay ang isa. Wala na balance. Inhale. Oh, kuan, naay malfunction gamay. Kuan, ang isa maunag kakupos, ang isa maulahi. Okay, again. Let's evaluate again. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Inhale. Pero at least, ni-compose siya o ni-expand. Ni-contract and ni-expand. Group 3. Exhale, inhale. Okay. Exhale, inhale. Okay. Pero at least, inhale o exhale niya, mo-contract din, mo-expand, mo-contract, mo-expand, no? Group 4. Inhale, exhale. O, kuan man gud ang window. Kanang sana. Kanang, yan. Tainted. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. At least,